Zhao Lusi sued a blogger for reputational rights, but the defendant did not appear in court and won the case. The title of Little Cheng Yi was reversely confirmed. Zhao Lusi sued a blogger to court over reputation issues, an incident that attracted widespread attention. Zhao Lusi, a high-profile social media figure, is popular for her active presence on the internet. However, recently, she was involved in a reputation dispute and took the blogger to court. It is reported that Zhao Lusi filed a lawsuit against the blogger, claiming that the content posted by the blogger on her social media violated her right to reputation. The accusation made the court a focal point of controversy. As the case proceeds, people begin to pay attention to whether the defendant will appear in court and whether the court can make a fair ruling on Zhao Lusi's charges. Surprisingly, the defendant did not appear in court, a situation that caused some excitement in the courtroom. The court decided to continue the trial and found during subsequent investigation that the defendant did not provide sufficient evidence to defend itself. This provides favorable conditions for Zhao Lusi's lawsuit. In the end, the court ruled in favor of the case and found that the blogger had violated Zhao Lusi's right to reputation. The verdict sparked heated discussions on social media, with many expressing support for Zhao Lusi's victory, while others questioned the blogger's absence and poor defense. Interestingly, behind the case, some of Zhao Lusi's little sister title was revealed. During the court hearing, some bloggers and social media users discovered through reverse investigation that the title originally used by Zhao Lusi turned out to be fictitious to a certain extent. This kind of reverse real hammer has made people question the authenticity of Zhao Lusi, and also triggered extensive discussions about the authenticity and fiction of social media characters. Overall, Zhao Lusi's reputation lawsuit has become a high-profile event, which not only reveals the reputation troubles faced by social media figures, but also triggers thinking about fictional identities. This incident raises some questions worth pondering about the protection of reputation rights and the authenticity of social media in the internet era. We've seen a lot of news about celebrities suing, but it's really rare to lose a lawsuit. Zhao Lusi is this rare case. A blogger previously posted a post complaining about Zhao Lusi's swearing on the set, and it was revealed that she had forced herself at a certain photo shoot. A female staff member wearing a short skirt stood on the mirror to let others see if she would be exposed. Finally, she made fun of the girl. Later, Zhao Lusi took the blogger to court for infringement of reputation. Celebrities suing for reputation rights can be said to be their panacea. Regardless of whether the exposed information is true or false, suing for reputation rights is almost a sure win. But this time, Zhao Lusi was declared lost by the court when the defendant did not attend. Moreover, she will bear all the 750 yuan legal fees of the case. Looking at the whole circle, no one else can be found. Many passers-by in the relevant square were complaining, saying that she was trying to steal the chicken but not the rice. She successfully used a case to publicize her name as a little girl. Zhao Lusi's fans are naturally unconvinced. They feel that the case has not yet been finalized and everything is still unknown. Moreover, this time Zhao Lusi underestimated the enemy and the direction of the lawsuit is wrong. Let's just say that it is already the second trial and a chance of overturning the case is very slim. Moreover, Zhao Lusi's lawyer is sure professional. How could the complaint be filed in the wrong direction? It would be troublesome for fans to use their brains to clear their name. Therefore, this wave not only failed to restore the popularity of the public, but was ridiculed more and more. In fact, Zhao Lusi's character is indeed average. If you carefully dig into her past, you can know what kind of thing she is. In her early years, she said in an interview that she only scored 16 points in the math test when she was in school, and she was not ashamed at all. And even said shamelessly that if you don't study well, you will become a star. Obviously, she is a person who is not good at studying to be a star, and she does not know basic common sense. When she participates in period dramas, she cannot even remember important time points. Anyone who has taken the high school entrance examination has more ink than her. On weekdays, celebrities also put on a lot of airs. On the set, they ask their assistants to wear socks and spit chewing gum directly into their hands. Some people thought she was hiring a servant to serve her, a relic of the Ming and Qing dynasties, all the time. In addition, there were the famous swearing on the set probably confused Wu Lei at the time. It's not just Zhao Lusi. The 95 flowers in this batch are suspected to have bad character. Have you noticed? The 95 flowers who emerged in this batch have not even completed their regular studies, not to mention that they have been trained in academic classes. I don't know if you have noticed. They are suspected of being 95. Who is the one who likes to create sweet characters the most? Counting 90 flowers and 85 flowers, there are not as many sweet girls as 95 flowers in total. However, under the well-behaved appearance, she seems to have a restless heart, suspected of shortcomings in external appearance. With a humane character, she seems to be like a little girl in private. Let's just say, why bother with the so-called 4 little girls? It would be more in line with the status quo to have a 4 little girls in domestic entertainment. If there is such a comparison, I wonder who everyone will nominate? Who had just suggested that if these 95-year-olds really want to be popular in the circle, they should stop competing on the sweet girl track. After all, this track is a bit crowded. We can adapt the plot to reality and just act in their true colors as little girls. Tamely, then make a contrasting look in the audience to ensure that this contrasting feeling can attract a large number of people. I wonder if any Zhao is willing to accept this suggestion. Going back to the case of Zhao Lusi suing an amateur blogger, it can be seen from the judgment that the court found that the content posted by the blogger was just a comment on common topics in the entertainment industry. It did not insult or degrade Zhao Lusi, nor did it violate public order and good morals. In short, they just told you everything Zhao Lusi had done. You thought it was an insult to you. Obviously Zhao Lusi knew it was disgraceful, but why did he do it at the time? Yinger's eye-catching temperament in The Hidden God, Zhao Lusi's sweet style is challenged. During the promotional activities of The Hidden God, actresses such as Zhao Lusi and Yinger gathered together. 25-year-old Zhao Lusi wore a black suspender skirt and long hair, still maintaining a sweet style. However, if you look closely, you will find that Zhao Lusi seems to be slightly plump and her cheeks are slightly rounded. Zhao Lusi was a little embarrassed when interacting with the male guests. Although she plays the heroine in the play, in the same frame, the style and temperament of other supporting actresses such as Kanana, Cao Firan and Yinger are particularly eye-catching, while Zhao Lusi does not show too many advantages. Especially Yinger next to her, wearing a long denim skirt, which perfectly showed off her graceful figure. In front of Yinger's excellent temperament, Zhao Lusi pales in comparison, as if there is a difference between a star and an internet celebrity. Netizens expressed that Yinger completely crushed Zhao Lusi and wondered why this happened. Yinger graduated from the Central Academy of Drama and represents the selection criteria for stars in the past: strict professional background and layered assessment. In contrast, Zhao Lusi, as a young celebrity born in 1995, has a sweet appearance, but her improvement in acting skills does not seem obvious. She once overpowered Dilruba in The Legend of Cheng Yi, but in other dramas, especially the modern drama Hutuang, Zhao Lusi's glaring acting skills have been criticized a lot. Zhao Lusi's role as the Phoenix Emperor in The Hidden God did not leave a deep impression on the audience. Her lines have a modern feel, and her soft and cute voice seems a bit out of place in a costume drama. At the same time, other actresses such as newcomer Lian Kanana, who was born in 2002, performed more eye-catchingly. Especially the 36-year-old Yinger, her performance in The Legend of Zhenhuan is impressive, although her appearance time is short. Yinger's appearance and acting skills have been recognized by the audience again after losing weight. Her performance in Mountains, Rivers and Moonlight is particularly impressive, demonstrating her versatility as an actress. Yinger is clear about her acting position and hopes to play more roles that can speak out for women. Her acting skills and choice of works show her versatility and seriousness towards her acting career. Yinger's success reminds us that an actor's development does not only depend on appearance, but also on acting skills and the choice of works. Fox Fairy Matchmaker continues to be hotly discussed. Cheng Yi's new drama arouses expectations. Netizens, the fashion trend of ancient costumes is back again. Recently, the much-anticipated Fox Fairy Matchmaker announced that it will be filmed this month. The protagonist of this TV series is the popular idol Cheng Yi, co-starring with Li Yiden. As soon as this news came out, it caused a heated discussion on the internet. Many people said that this TV series is very interesting. Cheng Yi has received great acclaim for his appearances in many popular TV series in recent years. This time he once again plays a new character in a costume drama. People are full of curiosity about what kind of performance he will have. Following Fox Matchmaker, another popular TV series Sauvignon Blanc 2 has finally been confirmed. It is reported that Sauvignon Blanc 2 will be released in the summer season next month. People at the scene had mixed reactions to the news. First, I hope to see the plot of the sequel as soon as possible. But from another perspective, because the gap between Abidart and Abidar has been too long, many people are worried about the continuation of the story and whether anyone will leave the movie. But no matter what, Sauvignon Blanc 2 will definitely have a good selling point next summer. As the filming of Fox Fairy Matchmaker officially started, some netizens began to worry about Cheng Yi's health. Earlier, Cheng Yi injured his waist again due to a fight during filming. Regarding this, TV series producer Wang Yaxu said that he would ensure Cheng Yi's safety based on his work progress. This statement gave movie fans a little bit of relief, and at the same time they also have more expectations for Cheng Yi's performance in this drama. After the two controversial dramas Fox Matchmaker and Sauvignon Blanc 2, this period TV series has returned to people's attention. These two TV series are both classic TV series, and they are both very interesting, so everyone is looking forward to this costume drama very much. Whether it's the beautiful pictures, exquisite costumes, or touching plot, it's all a pleasure to watch. In short, everyone has been waiting eagerly for the two major costume dramas such as The King of Fox Matchmaker and Sauvignon Blanc 2 to finally meet everyone. Whether it's a new star in ancient costume like Cheng Yi, or it's for an exciting plot, everyone is very confident that these two major dramas will be released soon. Both Fox Fairy Matchmaker and Sauvignon Blanc 2 will provide everyone with a wave of audio-visual enjoyment and a new wave of ancient costume praise.